Hey everyone, welcome to Inspired Foodies. Today I'm doing a mango turmeric smoothie. It's a really good recipe actually. One of the recipes I have from time to time for breakfast. The reason I'm doing a smoothie again is because I know people love smoothies. It tends to be a really good meal replacement for breakfast. It's very healthy and filling. This smoothie specifically is really healthy because it has turmeric, which is an anti-inflammatory, so it helps reduce pain. It's also an antioxidant. And it also has another key ingredient, which is mangoes. It's really good for your skin, lots of vitamin C. And it also has bananas as well. So the ingredients you need for this, pretty straightforward. You need some turmeric. You need almond milk. I'm actually using an almond milk and coconut milk blend, but you can use whichever you like. Greek yogurt, plain. You'll need half a banana. You'll need a mango, cut up about like a quarter of a mango, about a third of a mango, and you definitely need a vanilla protein powder of your choice. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put half of the banana in here, because I cut up a whole banana, but you really just need half. You can freeze the bananas if you'd like them frozen. It can give it more of like a slushy type texture. So the next ingredient, I'm just going to take this mango, cut it into cubes. Real quick, it's to just get the mango out of the skin. This is a very, very juicy mango, so I'm trying not to make too much of a mess. But it's just super easy to cut it a little bit, and then you can just scoop it out with a spoon. So it'll blend really nicely in your blender. The next ingredient I'm going to add is the Greek yogurt. I'm going to add about a teaspoon, a nice big spoon. It's more than enough. You can add more if you'd like. It'll make your smoothie very thick. So if you like thick smoothies, you can add another spoon. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of turmeric. Actually, I'm going to add a teeny bit more because it's a big portion. But if you're doing one serving size, you add about half because turmeric is very strong, so you don't need too much, but you do need a little bit. And 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. And to top it all off, I'm gonna add about 4 ounces of almond milk. But first gotta shake it so that, the contents inside your almond milk is nicely mixed. So about 4 ounces, which will be halfway here. Perfect. And what we're going to do is we're going to blend everything for about 30 seconds. So I'm just going to blend this. Looks like it's blended pretty well. And we're just going to pour it into our glass. Yeah. It's nice and smooth. And that is a perfect 8 ounce. It should be about somewhere between 8 to 12 ounces of a smoothie. So that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner if you want to do like a meal replacement. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments or any suggestions, please leave them down below in the comments area. If you want to see any specific recipes, let us know in the comments. We have plenty of recipes that we are planning to do, so expect a lot more videos in the future. I have some recipes that I would like to do. My mother has some lined up as well. So we're going to definitely push out some more videos. You can also follow her on Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook. We constantly post updates of our new video releases on those platforms. So you can find the links for that in the video description. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.